Hi friends, today let's learn some interesting facts about a community helper chef. Community helpers are the individuals who live and work in our community and ensure that the community stays healthy, safe, and happy. These community helpers do everything they can to help us and make our lives easier by providing us with goods and services. Chefs work in the kitchens of restaurants, hotels, cruise ships, and casinos. They create the menus, prepare the food, and manage the operations of the kitchen. That's cool. There are different levels of chefs within a kitchen. Executive chefs hold the top position in a kitchen. Wow, did you know that? They are in charge of all the kitchen operations. They are rarely involved in cooking the food and meal preparation. Instead, executive chefs design the menus and oversee food preparation and ordering. They also train and manage the cooking staff. Sous chefs are the second in command in the kitchen. That's cool. Did you know that? They supervise the junior chefs, prepare the meals, and report to the executive chef. A formal education is not necessary to become a chef. Most chefs begin by working in a kitchen. That's interesting.
Thanks for watching.